Alright then guys, so today I am dressed like a glorious bin man, and the reason why is because I'm going to be out here in the freezing freaking cold today getting amazing footage of all of these off-roaders behind me. So I'm going to go and do a little walk around of all the vehicles we've got here today, because we've got everything from very basic off-roading to extremely amazing off-road, and we've just got a big off-road day, so I don't know how it's going to be. We'll just see how it goes. We've got such a variety here. Let's get started. So we've got some strong ice here. It's holding my fat weight up, look. So people are debating whether they're going to go down there or not, because it's quite deep at the upper end. But yeah, it is the run through. Look at all these. So you're going to see 50 Shades of Discovery today. This one's lifted with some 31-inch tyres. And then we've got this L200, which is making me miss mine very much. Again, lifted, big tyres, full kit on that, snorkel. We've got this. It's going to be the underdog, I reckon, the ML. Not on air suspension, but just literally got some off-road tyres on. So back to basics, but it'd be interesting to see how it performs. We've got a completely kitted out Defender. We know how that's going to be. And we've got another L200 here as well, look. And as I said, 50 Shades we've got from All Terrains, I think, on that. And then this thing, which is a combination, it's a hybrid between a Defender and a Discovery, I think, but it's an absolute animal, so I don't think we're going to be having any problems with that one, I don't reckon. But there we are. Welcome to the off-roading experience, and I'm hoping this will be the beginning of many more off-road videos to come with Satanic Southwest and whoever else. So yeah, that's everyone set behind us, and I'm excited to see what the day brings. First obstacle already. I mean, we're literally probably about 300 meters from the main road. Now this looks like nothing really, and I mean, look, this is how hard the ice is. I'm going to fall through here and like it all day. It looks quite deep there actually. This doesn't look deep, but I reckon it might be. But definitely over here, it is very deep. See? I'm going to stand out of the way because I'm going to get soaked. There you go. Someone's breaking the way for us to go through. See, it ain't even deep. It ain't even deep. This is the deeper part here. It looks more deeper. Oh, spin it. That's getting quite deep there, actually. Pretty deep, not bad. Here comes the 200. Okay, it's pretty deep to be fair. You've got big old huge chunks of ice coming up there. The fucking Mercedes. There's bow weight coming through. It's quite deep on the side of it. Nice. Frozen solid, look. So status update, we're 5 minutes in. This is very deep. Look. Look at that beautiful below my feet there. And we got a stuck fender here, so we're doing alright. This one hasn't been gone through yet, but it's going to be, I think. Go on. It's got ice behind it. Completely stopped this one now, I think. He's out. On the see where this big drag on the floor. Even a struggle there. What I'm going to say is, this doesn't look at all deep, but I've just put my foot in there, yeah? And it's up to the top of my willies, so hopefully someone's going to go through this one, because this one is untouched at the moment. The plastic on it in there. Wow, it's amazing, that is. Out to one, travel and out to one. So we've got the L200 anchoring the disco that's pulling out the beast that has actually got stuck in this ridiculously deep cesspit of absolute ice and crud. Look at the size of the ice down here as well. All the steam just rising off that engine in there, it's all exposed to them. How deep that is there. actually pulled through like probably like a good 300 kilo worth of ice. So this one is very deep and it's untouched as well. So I mean, look at this deep boy. Oh, John just braving his way through. Is that ice strong, mate? Yeah. 4 out of 200 stuck in rear-wheel drive. Here we are, so we have the L200. This is the newer one. Look at the height on that one. There we are, Satanic Southwest have hosted their first outdoor meet, and as you can see behind me, people are still excited and having a good time. Now, it is cold, very, very cold. Look at this behind me, this has not been touched by the sun at all today, and it is still frickin' frosty. But yeah, it's sort of annoying because it's made me sit here and think I need to get an off-roader, so maybe next year, as well as having my own vehicle, I might have to get something off-road orientated. Or maybe do more off-road stuff. So this will be just the beginning of more off-road stuff to come. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys very soon.